I think it's third cylinder.
Yeah, is it oily?
No, it's smoking from that one.
Oh, well that's it. Yeah, and actually you can see around it where it's sprayed. Damn. Oh, it's absolutely number 3. Yeah, everything in there is black. Yep. 2 is nice. See light reflecting off the contour of the piston. 1 looks okay. 3's there. 3's our guy. Look how wet and shiny it is. You see down in the corner there? Yeah. 3 is our guy. 4 looks good. Look, you can see 4 dry, clean. 3 is black and wet. So, all right. So, now we know. Okay, so it's the next day, and we're gonna head out in the shop and see if we can figure out what to do with Schatzi. You know, last night I did some shopping online trying to see, you know, can I find rebuild parts for this engine? And there are some are easier to locate than others. All of them are so insanely expensive that it just takes that option off the table. Even if I were able to find all of the appropriate parts in the appropriate oversizes to enable me to rebuild what's there, I would be left with a motor that on its best day made 75 horsepower and it is strapped to an automatic transmission that honestly, its design and engineering defies all conventional wisdom with regard to automatic transmissions, right? So, you know, fixing what's in here is just not an option for us. So that leaves us with a bit of a quandary, right? I'd like to swap something else into the car. But what? Those of you who know me know that I am an LS swap guy. I've swapped so many cars. I've done everything from Miatas to H1 Hummers, and I mean pretty much everything in between. And I have a 5.3 truck motor just sitting here, just waiting to go in something. And you know, I could do that. The problem is that that's not the answer. I would have to upgrade the rear end of the car, which means then I would have to upgrade the front suspension and brakes of the car to match the rear. It basically would be, you know, re-engineering the whole car. It's not worth the effort. And honestly, this car, it's not about that. So what's the answer? So the good news is there is an answer. And not only is there an answer, but we actually have the answer sitting right here waiting for us to do it. So let's take a walk back here in my paint booth and I'll show you what I got. Miata is the answer. So yeah, I bought this 99 Miata years ago just because the guy was selling it cheap, you know, it needed some cosmetics. I've had a lot of Miatas. I'll probably have a lot more Miatas, and I figured I'll grab it for a project, you know, we'll throw a paint job on it, yeah, I'll drive it, maybe I'll flip it, maybe we'll do something else with it. Well, I know what we're doing with it now. So that's the plan. We're gonna stick that Miata motor and transmission in this 65 Mercedes. So we're gonna jump right on this project. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. You can stay abreast of all of our progress. As always, thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for watching.